Welcome to the next video of the Inspire Real Estate Corner. Today we talk about something that a lot of our customers and certainly the younger people want to talk about. And it's how do you start to become financially independent? How can you do that? It's a dream of everyone, I think, to build up some savings for the future and make smart investments. Now, I'm going to talk about how you can save 4 years of net salary, 4 years of net salary, how you could save that money and use it better in the future. You can use an example. 4 years means from today to 2025, right? Working. Imagine that amount today to 2025, right? You can use it better. You can save it. So when we make big financial decisions, when we think about, in this case, buying a property or not buying a property, you need to think beyond today and beyond tomorrow. We need to look at the long term. So when we do numbers, let's look at 10 years, a 10-year horizon for the calculations. Because decisions you take to buy or not to buy, or to rent or not to rent, have long-term implications, or can have them at least. So here's a few examples. Imagine you're renting a property in Spain and you pay €1,000 per month for your property rental contract. That's money for your landlord. That means €12,000 per year that you need to earn and pay to your landlord. In exchange, you get a property for those 12 months. You get nothing as of month 13, right? And the money is gone. It's gone from your account. Look at 10 years, that's €120,000. It's a big number. It's a very large amount. Now, that's the cost of renting, but look, how do you pay for that? Imagine you have a salary of €2,500 net per month. That means 30,000 net per year. It means that you've got to work 4 years full-time at this salary to pay 10 years of rent. So if your decision is to rent a property, that are the implications. From now to 2025, you're going to be working only to pay your landlord, to make your landlord wealthier. You don't get anything in exchange. You've got no property, nothing for the future, and the money is gone. You also didn't leverage the money. You have not created more wealth from your working income. You can say, no, but I make more than 2,500. That's fine. Even with 5,000 net per month of income, you're still going to be working 2 full years to pay 10 years of rent, and that's a massive number. So when we have these discussions with our customers that are typically renting at this point in time, these are often moments of revelation when we think, wow, we never thought about it this way. But other people say, well, yeah, I've been renting for at €1,000 per month during 5 years, €60,000 of rental that's gone. So be aware of the consequences, what it means if you decide not to buy. Alternatively, with those savings that you have here, you have probably sufficient for a down payment for a mortgage, and it opens doors for starting to create financial independence. You can live in the property, you stop paying rent, you have something for the future, or maybe you buy a property that you might in the future rent out and it even pays back itself. So if you're in this situation, I would like to encourage you. I've written an article with a lot more numbers in there, a lot more examples on our blog. Check it out, and if you want to discuss your situation with us, complimentary, totally free first conversation, a Zoom meeting, 20-30 minutes with you to understand your plans and I give you my recommendations. See you.